We'll be talking about working with wood putty. On your project, you might have areas where the pin nails made holes or your trim didn't quite line up. We're going to solve this problem by filling those with wood putty. When buying wood putty, you want to buy the color that you're going to stain your project. Wood putty comes in a whole bunch of different colors, and I'm going to stain my project golden oak, so I've chosen golden oak colored wood putty. The easiest way to put this on is just to get a little bit on your finger and spread it into the hole and move it around, get any excess off of it, and just continue going around your project until all the gaps have been filled. After you've gone around your project and filled all of the holes with wood putty, you want to come back with some sandpaper and lightly sand over it. This is just going to smooth it down a little bit and get any excess off of your project.